Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida Notary Public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trade and realtor. Boy, there's a lot of wind. There is a lot of wind right now. You might not look it, but there is. Maybe the flag will show it. It's windy.
At Rich Noto Homes, go to richnotohomes.com.
So I'm over at Waterset at Apollo Beach, Florida. Pick up this house from David Weekley. So let's go inside and have a look at this house. So this is the Nightingale to David Weekley, as you can see. I don't think that I've ever seen this house before, or this model, should I say. HVAC. And here is a coat closet. And you got your laundry right at the front of the house. That's kind of interesting. It's different. I kind of like it too. And over here we have the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room all in one. That's a lot of cabinets, actually. I was gonna say, let's look at this, the sink. Yeah, it's a lot of cabinets. And what do we have here? We have a bedroom. Yeah, look at that. So it's actually supposed to be a road. I was looking at this and I'm like, wow, that's kind of something. That's different. Yeah, so it's a road. Area under construction. And here we got a bathroom. And another bedroom. Let's see what we have over here. We got another closet. This is a pretty good sized room, actually. I like it. And I like these things. The two are the two little dolls sitting in the, I don't know what they're in, but it's kind of nice. It's different. Here's your covered patio. And the master bedroom. Here's your bathroom. Walk-in shower, I like that. No shower door. Here's your closet. Let's switch this around. If I can, there we go. So, yeah, pretty big closet. I guess that would be, I don't know how many feet. Actually, this selfie stick's a little bit longer than the other one, so we're probably talking, I don't know, got a shirt in the way. I would think at least 12, 13 feet long, so pretty big closet. And it has this little kind of section over here as well, which is nice. And again, I like this type of a shower where you just like walk in, no shower door, really nice. And then the master bedroom. So who's this house for? I think if you want a house that's probably not super large, but you're looking for a house that doesn't have a bedroom in front of the house, you know, this could be it. Because again, there's no bedroom, there's a laundry room over there. So, you know, it's different. It's not too often that you see a laundry room at the very front of the house. So, you know, you have your 2 bedrooms over here, and then your master bedroom is at the end. So I like this. It's different, a different layout. And also too, over here, you know, you can see that we have a lot of cabinets. So nice kitchen. And the island, that's a big island. They got 3 chairs over there, but you could easily probably fit 5 around there. And please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. I do appreciate everybody stopping by to watch this. I hope he's having a great day.